Don't want to show your face or use your voice, but still want views? The truth is, topic is everything. You can have great editing, a clean thumbnail, but if the idea is too generic, no one clicks. Today I'll show you how to find viral, faceless video topics, even as a small channel. I've made videos with zero camera and zero talking, and I'll be honest, some flopped, but others started pulling in views fast. The difference? The topic. Let's break down exactly how to pick winning ideas. Make money online. Best side hustles. Sound familiar? These are super competitive and too vague. Your goal isn't just to post, but is to stand out. Try this instead. Be specific. Use a strong result or curiosity. Speak to beginners or one clear pain point, for example. How I'd make $100 a week with AI, no talking. 3 faceless niches that actually make money in 2025. See the difference? Here's a quick trick using free tools. Go to YouTube, type part of your idea, like Faceless YouTube, and see what auto-suggests. That's real search intent. Then ask ChatGPT to help you build titles from those ideas. Give me 10 video ideas for a faceless YouTube channel using keyword. Boom, instant headline testing. Want to go deeper? Use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to see what's trending or low competition. Even if others cover your topic, you can win by adding a unique angle. Use a phrase like, without a voice. As a beginner, in 2025, no face, no problem. This grabs attention and lets viewers know, hey, this one's different. And if you're not sure where to start, check out my earlier video, how I'd grow a faceless YouTube channel from 0 to 100 subscribers fast. I walk through early growth strategies, so if your views are stuck, start with your topic. Because even with great editing, a bad title kills everything. Drop a like if this helped. Comment below with a topic you want help refining. And don't forget to subscribe. I post faceless YouTube tips every week. Thank you, and see you on the next one.